In this video, I'm going to show you one of my faves that is in every one of my kits, and that is my MT45. And I'm going to show you what that is. So let's get a closer look. The MT45 posterior sickle scaler with similar angulation and adaptation as a 204S, which used to be one of my favorite until I found this one. The MT45 is designed to be more rigid with an extended terminal shank for better interproximal access. PDT instruments are ideally weighted and they feature some of the most ergonomic handles with the knurling. So what is knurling, you ask? Well, these little bumps are called knurling, and they are designed to provide increased comfort with less hand fatigue and pinch. PDT's focus on ergonomics greatly reduces the development of musculoskeletal disorders. Not only is the steel amazing, the shanks are amazing, but it's designed to make our hands last us as long as we need them to. Check out the MT45 posterior sickle scaler, and if you're a big fan of the 204S, I think you're going to love this one. You can find out more at pdtdental.com.